Today we will see about dunder methods in Python. So dunder method is very important to understand the class concepts in Python. So today we would see about get item dunder method and REPR dunder method in Python. Okay, so here I've defined a class called club. So which has two attributes. One is name and the other one is players. So when we create an object of this class club, this doesn't have the length property by itself. So we need to define it inside our class. So that is what we're going to do. First, we are creating a um, object of club. So we are creating Arsenal as an object, and we are adding the name parameter as Arsenal. So here we have Arsenal equal to club of Arsenal. So that is what the initialization method in this class is doing. So it will create a object with a name, and it will also initialize a list, empty list of attribute players. Okay, so next we are adding a player in this object Arsenal. So we are adding by arsenal.players.append p1, and now uh, we are printing it. So what happens here is if you want to have um, arsenal of 0, right? So how we define a list, for example, print arsenal of 0. So we can't do that now because this attribute is, yeah, we can do that now because of this get item. I'll just comment this out. So if you do this, it will tell club object is not subscriptable because it doesn't know how to get this item like a list. So what we need to do is we need to add get item so that it will return the player present in this self.player. So what it does is, so we are making the object Arsenal to return the players present in the list players. So once we do that, so we can see it is giving us P1. So this is what get item does. So this is one of the double under method. We call it as dunder in Python. And also, if you want to add a length to this object, which we created, so we need to add hyphen hyphen len hyphen hyphen. So it would return the length of the players. And this is the representation for user readability and for debugging. So yeah, whenever we call an object, it would normally, so without this, without REPR, so if you printing the Arsenal, so it would give something like this: hyphen hyphen main hyphen hyphen double underscore club object at so and so, which is not that readable for user. So if you want to make it as readable, this is one of the option, and this also helps in debugging. So with this, if you run the program, you can see, so this is a club Arsenal with 0. So that is the use of dunder methods, and yeah.